Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker Series 1. In this video I'm going to show you a really interesting strategy to make some awesome money online, and this is only for those awesome people who really want to make some awesome money online, and this is not for those who are not awesome people and don't want to make money online. They should definitely skip this video or else watch this video only for entertainment purposes. But for those who are serious about making money online, watch this video till the end, because I'm gonna show you a really interesting strategy that can make you a lot of money on YouTube without recording anything, without showing your face, even without providing any voiceover. You can still make some awesome money online using the power of YouTube, because YouTube is a gold mine of money and most of the people are not using it till today, or if they are using, they are not using it in the right way, and that's the reason they are not making any money. But if you use it in the right way, you will be making a ton of money. So now let's get started and let me discover all the things which you can do with YouTube, and let's get into this awesome strategy. But before we jump into this awesome strategy, I would like to recommend you something which helped me to get out of my 9-to-5 job, and that is something which is a plug and play affiliate marketing system. So that is available for you. The first link is there in the description. So if you are interested in making a sustainable amount of income without doing any of the hard work or at the comfort of your home, then you can definitely check it out. The first link in the description. Now if you don't have money for that, let's get started and we will work on the strategy. Once you make money out of this, you can just then go and click in the first link in the description. Okay, so now let's get started into the video and let me discover the entire strategy for you. Okay, so now let's get started. Let me get a bit smaller, because if I am too big, I would disturb you. Okay, so now I don't want to disturb you, and let's get started into the method. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open your YouTube channel, and all you need to do is go to search, and you just need to type "make him love you." Okay, so this is a genius YouTube channel which is started by this person. Okay, now let me show you what type of videos this guy is making. So you can see these are the very simple videos which this guy is making. Okay, he's just using some copyright free images and some text over the images. Okay, so you can see intimate questions which you can ask to a guy. So you can see this is a very simple video. All he is using is a copyright free image which you can get on pexels.com or pixabay.com, and you can see he's providing.
Hello everybody.
So he is providing a voiceover on this channel, but it's not necessary. If you don't want to provide a voiceover, that's fine. All you need to do is just paste some text on this. Okay, just for example, like this is a video of 10 intimate questions. Then you can just paste the text of 10 intimate questions over here. But if you give a voiceover, then it would be a great benefit. Okay, so it's really easy. All you need to do is narrate the questions or read the questions. Okay, so that's something really easy, because I'm going to show you a website from where you can find all these articles, from where you can just basically read those articles and record those into your mobile phone or into your laptop, and then make a video just like this. Okay, so this is really simple. You don't need to give any voiceover. All you need to do is read an article aloud and just record the stuff. Okay, so you can see all this very simple video just using some background images and all this stuff. Okay, so now let me show you where you can get all those background images. There is a cool website which is known as pexels.com, where you can get all this stuff absolutely for free without paying a dime. All you need to do is come to pexels.com, click on this video, and then you just need to type in here. Okay, so you are making videos about relationships, so all you need to do is type in relationships. Once you type in relationships, you can find all these videos which are related to relationships. Now you can download these videos just by clicking on this download button. Okay, no need to sign up also. Okay, you can just download it directly. Okay, so that's something which is really awesome about this website, and you can use these videos into your videos. Okay, into your YouTube videos. Okay, and that's really simple. So once you have downloaded these videos, now where you are going to record a voiceover, now all you need to do is type in a really interesting software which is available absolutely for free, in which you can record your audio. If you have a laptop, okay, if you have a smartphone, just record it using your earphone, or what you can see that handset, or whichever you are using. Just use that because it produces a better sound. Okay, so now let's type in Audacity. Okay, so all you need to do is type in Audacity and download the software. With this software you can record your voiceover onto your computer. All you need to do is narrate an article. Okay, I'm gonna show you where you can find this awesome article. So you just need to go to audacityteam.org, and I don't know why it is not loading up, but this is particularly the website. This is the website from where you can. So if you are not a human, then don't click this. Okay, so I don't know if any robots are watching over here, but just understand the stuff. Okay, so please click the image containing the umbrellas. This. Okay, this one is also getting. This one is also having an umbrella, and let's press the next. This guy is getting an umbrella. This is an umbrella. I don't see any people having umbrellas other than that. Check. Yo, so this is the software which you need to download. Just click on this download Audacity and you can record your voiceover with this software, as well as you can also reduce noise in this software. Okay, so that's really important because noisy videos are something which people don't like and don't watch. But if you use the software, you are gonna record videos without any noise, and that's something which is really very awesome. Okay, so just get this free software. Okay, so once you download this, you need to record your voiceover with this software. There are a ton of tutorials regarding this software which are available on YouTube, so you can just go and watch those tutorials and learn how to use this particular software really very simply and very easily. Okay, so just get this. Now the first thing you have downloaded some copyright free videos, you have got the software. Now where will you find articles? So you just need to go to a website which is known as plr.com, and you can just get the articles over here. So these are all articles which are with resale rights. So all you need to do is go over here to relationships. Okay, now where is it? Okay, so here are the relationships. Just click on that and you can find all these articles which are related to relationships. Now you can use any one of this article and just narrate the entire article, okay, into your video, and then you can just make this really easy simple videos, because there are a ton of articles just like this which are available on this website, which you can absolutely use without any problem, because these are the articles with resale rights. Okay, so that's something which is really awesome. So now you have got the content, you have got the software to record your audio, you have got the copyright free videos. Okay, now where will you find a video editor to do all this stuff for you? So you just need to go to a website which is openshot.org. So this has some softwares which can work on almost any PC. Okay, you don't need to invest a ton of money and buy a very expensive computer for yourself. Okay, if you have a normal computer, all the software will work fine into your computer. So don't worry about that you have to spend really big money. Okay, whichever working existing computer you have, I probably think that those computers can also run this software really very easily. So all you need to do is go to this website and download this video editor which is known as OpenShot Video Editor, and you can easily download this. Okay, so once you have downloaded this, all you need to do is whatever clips you have took, just open this video editor. Okay, once you open this video editor, all you need to do is, now let's do it, really simple stuff is that, and I will be showing you how you can monetize this channel also. So that's also something which is going to be in this video, so keep watching this video. Okay, don't just skip. So just take I have just downloaded one video and I am putting it over here, and this is some copyright free music which I have already downloaded. If you want to add a voiceover, it's your choice, but if you don't want to add a voiceover, at least add some copyright free music. Okay, so where is the copyright free music? I just forgot. Maybe, okay, let's add this voiceover. I don't know where is my copyright free music. This is not a voiceover particularly for this, but still we will get the idea. Okay, so once you've got this, all you need to do is drag this over here and drag this, and you can see now it will start playing.
Hello guys, welcome to my
So see, you can see the voiceover came and the video is playing over here. Now if you want to add text to this, you just need to click on Control and T. Okay, once you click on Control T, you will find all these templates with which you can add text to these images. Okay, so any of the text, if you want to do your images or videos, you can add with this. Okay, then all you need to do is at last click on this export video button, give the name a very unique and beautiful name to your video, and then you can just save it anywhere you want it to your computer. Then you can just select any one of this. Okay, but I highly recommend that select this MP4 MPEG-4 and just click on this 1080p 30 frames per second. Okay, and then just click on export video. Once you click on the export video, your video will be exported and it will be ready to be uploaded onto your YouTube channel. And you can see, if you want to make the thumbnails just like this guy has done over here on his channel, then it's really simple. All you need to make a thumbnail just like this, which this guy has made over here, you can just go to canva.com. okay, canva.com, which is absolutely free. Okay, so just go to canva.com, make a free account and just search here YouTube thumbnail. Because once you search for YouTube thumbnail, all these templates will appear in front of you. Now you can edit any of these templates and make yourself a very good thumbnail. Okay, so your thumbnail is also ready for your video. Now all you need to do is upload that video. Now how will you monetize this? Okay, that's something really awesome. Now what this guy is doing this, he is promoting a ClickBank offer over here. Okay, let me show you which is the ClickBank offer. So if you go to clickbank.com, make a free account, and then you can go to marketplace and find this offer, which is known as text chemistry. Okay, so on ClickBank there are a lot of relationship offers which are available on ClickBank. So you can choose any of the offer and promote that offer, making this kind of very simple videos. So you can see this is something which this guy is promoting. Okay, so that's really awesome, and you can just promote this product if you like. Okay, so you can just monetize your video with the first video which you upload, and after you have completed 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, you can just apply for the Google AdSense and you can monetize your channel, because you are giving voiceover all by yourself. That's the reason why you will get the monetization benefit of your channel, and you can start making a passive income with that. So that's it for this video. So if you got some awesome value and if you are gonna take action on the strategy, I highly recommend that you take action on the strategy. But if you want a plug and play affiliate system which you can use to drive some more money online, to make some easier money online, check out the first link in the description. And if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, as well as you can also follow me on Instagram. Link is there in the description. You can ask me any of the questions on Instagram. Don't just send hi messages or anything like that, but just ask me a question and I will definitely answer your question. Okay, on Instagram. As well as you can also check out other videos on my channel. They will also provide you a ton of money or a ton of value on how to make money online and all this particular stuff. Okay, so you will get a lot of valuable videos, more than 200 videos on my channel, in which I teach these different strategies to make money online. Okay, so if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.